There's a lot of places to buy it here in Las Vegas. All right, I'm still walking alongside the building. It's a long, big building. And there's a lot of things to do on a Friday night in Las Vegas. Liquor World is across the street. I haven't been in this area in about a year and a half, and it is growing. A lot of new businesses here in the old buildings. They're repainting the sides of these buildings. Once again, a block west of the Strip of Las Vegas, there is a lot to do. All right, there's a better view of Liquor World, the sign, which is right across the street from Reef Dispensaries. Okay, I'm going to continue walking. I'm crossing the street and I'm heading towards the Planet 13 dispensary. Straight ahead of me. I stand corrected. I thought it was a dispensary. I'm sure you could buy all kinds of weed here, but it's a entertainment complex. Planet 13 Entertainment Complex. No, it is a dispensary. Great place to party, it looks like. In the distance is Treasure Island Casino. And the Palazzo. And way off in the distance is the Mirage Casino. All right, here's a set of railroad tracks. I'm going to cross them, and now I'm heading towards the Strip. I'm walking east towards the Strip. All right, here's the Deja Vu Love Boutique. Straight ahead of me is Sammy Davis Jr. And I'm continuing to walk towards the Strip. All right, directly ahead of me is the Wynn Casino. And to my left is the Trump International Hotel. Okay, I'm walking across the street in the crosswalk towards the Galleria Mall. There's Nordstrom, and the Trump International is directly behind me. I'll flip the camera back around. And here I go. Gotta watch the cars, sometimes they go fast. Okay, I'm on the sidewalk. And there's the Wynn. The Galleria Mall is to my right. And the Encore Casino is straight ahead of me. And once again, there's the Trump International. I'm just trying to give you a perspective. If someone watches this video and they've never been in Las Vegas, you know, I'm showing the bigger hotels and casinos and intersections of streets so you could get your bearings. I'm still walking towards the strip, and as I pan my cell phone to the left, that's the Hilton and the Conrad building. I think it's part of the Resorts World. Okay, now I'm at the Galleria Mall. There's Forever 21. And as I continue to pan, Resorts World. I'm getting closer to the Encore. And directly ahead of me is the Wynn Casino. Some of the dining establishments at the mall. All right, I am standing on the strip right now. There's the Encore. There's Las Vegas Boulevard, the Wynn Casino, and I guess they call this fashion show. I thought it used to be called Galleria. I haven't been on the strip in about a year and a half, and there's all kinds of new construction and buildings that have been completed. So I called this mall the Galleria Mall, but actually it is now called Fashion Show. All right, I'm on the escalator. Going up. All right, so there's a little walking tour of the strip, and 1 block west of the strip by the dispensaries. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good night.